Hi guys, I am sharing some delicious taco recipes and my fresh salsa and guacamole. We have been eating some tacos in my house and we are loving these recipes. We're going to start out with my grilled chicken club tacos with Chipotle sour cream. First, you need to marinate your chicken breasts so they are full of flavor. I have been getting my meat and organic chicken from Butcher Box. I've talked about them before and they are awesome. I highly recommend them. They have great quality meat that they send right to your door, and they are sponsoring today's video, and I'm really thankful they provided the meat for this video because I had to buy a lot of groceries for this video, so it was really nice for them to provide the meat. And I'll talk about them a little more in the video, but if you are interested, they have an excellent offer for my viewers where you will get $20 off your first box of meat and 2 pounds of free wild caught salmon. Their salmon is the best. Okay, for the chicken marinade, you will need lime juice, olive oil, and lots of spices, but you should have all of these on hand. They're pretty common spices. All of the recipes will be in the description box below, typed out so you can get the exact measurements. You will also need 1 pound of bacon. Butcher Box has excellent bacon. We've had it several times now, and their pork is heritage breed and it's certified humane. I like to bake my bacon on a baking sheet with parchment paper. It makes it so much easier to clean up. For the Chipotle sour cream, you'll need 1 cup of sour cream, the juice from half to 1 whole lime. It really depends on how much juice your lime yields. Some have a lot of juice and some are like, where is the juice? So kind of depends. And then you'll need 1/4 cup of cilantro and 2 to 4 Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. This stuff is so good. You guys definitely need to try it. You'll want to grill your chicken until it's cooked through, then slice it for your tacos. For my chicken club tacos, I am using corn tortillas, but you can use flour if you prefer. We have the sliced chicken, shredded Colby Jack cheese, chopped bacon, shredded lettuce, chopped tomato, and Chipotle sour cream, and avocado for me. I am serving my tacos with chips and salsa, and I am going to share how I make my salsa. It is so easy and so good. You all know how much I love chips and salsa. Okay, for the salsa, you'll need 10 Roma tomatoes, 1 jalapeno pepper, half of a medium onion or a whole small onion, whatever you have on hand, 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of cilantro, the juice of half to 1 whole lime, and salt to taste. I like to quarter my tomatoes and remove the seeds. Place everything in a food processor and pulse for just a couple seconds at a time because you don't want it too thin. You can make it as chunky as you like. Next, we are making my blackened salmon tacos with slaw. You will need 1.5 to 2 pounds of salmon. My family really enjoys this wild caught salmon from Butcher Box. And like I said at the beginning of the video, you can get it for free with your first order. And that offer is only good for a limited time. So you can check it out by using the link in the description box below. We are going to season the salmon well with chili powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I like to slice my salmon into strips, and then you'll get a large skillet nice and hot over medium-high heat and add a little oil. Cook for just a couple minutes on each side until it's cooked through. Remove the skin. I serve these on corn tortillas with the cabbage slaw. I'll show you how to make that too. And avocado and Chipotle sour cream. For the slaw, I use 1 head of cabbage shredded, 1 cup of shredded carrots, half a red bell pepper chopped, 1 jalapeno pepper chopped, 1/3 of a red onion chopped, 1/4 cup of cilantro, the juice of 1 lime, olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then just mix it all together. This gives it excellent crunch and flavor. It really is a hit. Up next, we have Carne Asada. For this, I'm using a grass-fed beef flank steak, also from Butcher Box. I'm adding olive oil, lime juice, jalapeno, garlic, cilantro, cumin, and chili powder. Again, everything is in the description box below. Be sure to coat both sides, so we want to have maximum flavor. After your flank steak has marinated for a few hours, heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Add a little oil and cook your flank steak for 3 to 4 minutes on each side for medium doneness. If you want it a little more well done, you can just cook it a little longer. Allow the steak to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing against the grain. To serve my carne asada, I am using corn tortillas, chopped jalapeno, cilantro, chopped onion, queso fresco cheese, lime juice. I also have my fresh salsa and guacamole with tortilla chips. I'm going to show you how to make my guacamole. I like it chunky and it's super easy. I also love guacamole. I am using 3 avocados, 1/3 of a red onion chopped, 1/4 cup of cilantro, 1 jalapeno chopped, 1 tomato chopped, and then I just mix everything together and add a dash of salt, chili powder, and cumin. Guacamole is best when served right away. Now we are making my bang bang shrimp tacos. I was trying to perfect these before I share them with you, and I think they are excellent. So we will start with the bang bang sauce. You need a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of sriracha. Mix everything together and refrigerate until you're ready to serve. You will need 1 pound of large shrimp, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of cornstarch, and oil for frying. Be sure to pat the shrimp dry. Combine the shrimp and buttermilk, then dredge each piece of shrimp in the cornstarch. Add enough oil to a large skillet to fully cover the bottom, and then once the oil is nice and hot, add the shrimp. Cook for approximately 2 minutes, maybe a little longer, on each side or until the shrimp is golden brown and crispy. And then once it's cooked through, remove it from the oil, place it in a large bowl, and add the bang bang sauce. You'll just want to be really gentle as you toss it around so that that great coating doesn't come off the shrimp. And I like to serve these with shredded lettuce, cabbage, chopped cilantro, and green onions. And then we had some rice on the side, brown rice with cilantro and green onion. These are so good. All of these recipes are really good. So I hope that you enjoy them. Let me know which ones you want to try. And if you do try them, you may want to post on Instagram. You can tag me at How Jen Does It there. I hope you are inspired to make some tacos, and don't forget the Butcher Box offer is $20 off your first order plus 2 pounds of free salmon, and the link is in the description box below if you want to have a look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have an awesome day.